So I'm going in this place, Kalanga Kaki so Memorial. So I have to go in this road. So hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's very long time, it's been a very long time that I have not upload videos or I have not create vlogs video in my channel. So because I have busy in some work, that's why I don't have time to go and make video, make vlogs. So today right now I'm here in this Kalanga War Memorial Point. It is in Dehradun only here. So it is a silent place, and then it is very far from the main road. It is up area. I have till from the starting point of main road. It's like this. The road is up. So I went with cycle here. I came with cycle. So it's very difficult for me. I'm feeling so tired, and also I cannot ride the cycle because it's up area. I just have to carry the cycle in my hand. So right now guys, I'll not take long to introduce to you. So I'm here just to come and show you how this place. It is a place where the army people, soldiers, and maybe here they used to this place. Let's see. So guys, so see, as you have seen, this is down area. I came from this way. So and then some people go shortcut in the jungle by walking, and then here, as you have seen, here it's written in Hindi words. Hindi word I cannot understand, but I can talk, but I cannot understand. I don't understand Hindi words. I think it's written here only Kalanga War Memorial only, I think. So this is the main gate. So I have parked my cycle. People got park my cycle over there, and people also used to park their vehicle here, scooty, bike. So let's enter. It's written, oh here it's written in English, cultural notice board, 18th centuries. So guys, let's enter inside. Let's enter inside this. Let's enter. Here also Hindi words is written. Oh, we can enter inside also. People used to take photo here. See. It's just like this. Nothing. It's there. It's there. Right. Let's show you veranda, surveillance camera. Hah? Foto. Introduce. In English सो सकते हिंदी आती है. आप कहाँ से हो? मैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट से हूँ. मेघालय से. आसाम. हाँ पते. What is inside your hair? Nothing. Nothing is there inside. He still won because there is no grass, only leaf. I don't know how animal here, how cow here, they can live. It's very difficult for them. Water also, it's so hard for them to get. Find your own happiness, guys. Just go in the jungle like me, and then disturb you. Nobody irritating you. Just you yourself. And then nature. So now I have to go back home to the rooms where I stay. It's very down area. I cannot ride because if I ride, the brake will be finished so fast. So I have to go with walking. It will take more time for me to go from this place to my room, that where I stay. It will take 10 kilometer or 9 kilometer. So here it's very silent place. If you are a person who want peace, just come here and relax in this Kalanga War Memorial Point, and then relax. If you are a girl, if you have a girlfriend, and bring your girlfriend, you'll enjoy with her a relaxed place. So this place is a peaceful place. If you want to enjoy, free from noise, there is no noise here. Only less people are there. Like I have seen that I have take video, only less people are there here. So guys, finally I want to end this video now because I cannot take video while going. It's a very long way, so you will get boring in my video. So I will end this video, guys. Please share, like, subscribe if you like my video, and then please don't forget to subscribe. You will see next video, another video from my channel. So where the place, I will show you a good place, and then please comment if you like. So I have to go back now. I feel like I want to stay here long because I'm a person who want peace, always want to stay in peace, not in a noise busy place. So here in jungle, middle jungle, it's so peaceful. Sound of airplane. So see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.